Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, US dollar yen, I mean, it definitely has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, and this right here possibly could be a top right here. Now, for me, looking at all JPY pairs for correlation, I actually still think that there's a very good likelihood that this uptrend is not over and that there's a very good likelihood of that eventually it is going to go up and take out these previous highs. So going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, as you go down, you would start to believe that this is possibly an A, this is possibly a B, and it's possibly going to go down for a C, which I do still think that that is a possibility. But for me, I actually personally think that this right here is a low, and I actually think that this move down is just going to be a crutch into the uptrend, and that it will most likely just keep on trending up. Going down to the daily time frame is where you can kind of see a little more closely. Now, I actually think this right here is like a motive wave correction, this push down right here. And it never took out the lower wave 4, so I mean, the trend for me is definitely still up. Now, we are going down right now, but I do believe that that move down is just a subdivision of the uptrend, and I do believe that it most likely it will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. I actually think we may be in a wave 4 right now, especially looking at all correlated yen pairs. One, two, three, A, B, C of 4, and then back up for wave 5. Now, we do have dollar news tomorrow. We have interest rate for the US dollar coming out, and that is a very big news event. So, whatever is happening today most likely is going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow, late afternoon, New York time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I actually think that this is the end of a wave B down here, and I think that we're in a wave C right now, and I think this wave C has a lot of downside potential, just like what I was drawing on the 4 hour time frame. So for me, I definitely would still be looking for shorts. I definitely wouldn't be going short now, but I would be going short on pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. So if I do see a pullback, like a three-way move to the upside and a pulsive engulfing move to the downside, then that would be exactly what I'm looking for entries to go short for the continuation of this downtrend, which is most likely a wave C of wave 4 based on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.